So we have to just fill all the details here, and as you can see we can increase or decrease the age from here. We can decrease or increase the experience from here, and we can fill all the details. Education is 1 2 3. 1 means diploma, 2 means bachelor's, 3 means master's, and credit card 1 or 0 means someone having credit card is 1, not having is 0. And again just we have to click on predict, and it will give you the result. If it is showing 0, it means the person is not eligible for personal loan, and if it is 1, then it is eligible for personal loan. So here we can do one by one prediction of each of the records, and if you want to do bulk at a time, we have to just go into this batch section, and we have to upload our file. So here it will give you the predicted result for each of the records. If you see the prediction, if you will see that 01 is available for each of the against each of the records, and also it is saying if it is 0 then not eligible for personal loan, 1 then eligible for personal loan. We can also visualize the predicted results. We have to just tick this out, and we will see how many people are eligible for personal loan, how many are not. Even you can see the results here, and if you want to download this result, you have to just save link as, and we have to download it into CSV file, and that's done. Our file is downloaded. So yeah, this application is totally built on Streamlit, and I have deployed it using Heroku. This was very easy, quite fun to use it, very simple. So yeah, hope you guys have liked it.